What's up, gang? It's your boy, man. Look, we putting in this work tonight, man. Bro, we had 4 key programmers come out, and they was bullshitting. But we finally got 1 key programmer, good guy. He came out, he did the key, and it didn't work. But he didn't even want to charge us, man. He didn't even want to charge, but we had to give him something for his time. So like he was just like throw him 30 or something for the gas or something. But like he had everything, you know, to do a car. It's just, we was messing with like an older car. So like he needed an extra connector to hook up into the car to program the key. But we got the keys, baby. We got 3 of them. He gave us this one, this the regular degular, like, you know, just the dummy key, you know, just to unlock the doors and trunk and shit like that. And he gave us one with the chip in it too. But like now, we here at Walmart, man. We gotta get come along and shit. We ready to go, baby. Yep, we get a come along, we ready to go, man. But we gotta do a lot of fucking driving tonight behind and shit. But I done did more, man, you know. I done drove all over the world, dog. You know what I'm saying? From Kentucky, you know, to goddamn Memphis, to shit, everywhere doing this car shit, man. So like staying in the city ain't shit, man. It's just like a grind that we putting in, man. But we finna head in them Walmart right now, get this come along, scrap the car down and get about our shit, man. Go and talk to them boys, man.
YouTube. We're over here working still. As you can see, the night is upon us. The night is upon us. We're finna hit this Walmart and see what we could come up with. But we're still finna get the job done. The car's still gonna get to the house. We're not worried about that. How you feeling about the day?
You know, I'm feeling great about the day, man. You know, it's a little hard work you gotta put in the beginning, you know what I'm saying, to get to it. But after you put that hard work in, rewards, baby. Nothing but big rewards.
That's right, man. And all this gonna work out, so you just gotta keep focused, maintain focus.
Like in the beginning, you know, everything gonna be hard. You're gonna have a little obstacles, man, in whatever you do.
You gotta figure out everything.
You gotta figure out everything. Even when you know majority of the shit, it's always some stopping the process or holding the process.
Figuring out the new procedure, as you said.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna get back with y'all. We're gonna show y'all what we came to pick up.
In just a second, baby.
Yes, sir.
YouTube. So look, we got the come along, guy. We got some little cheap scraps. It's time to get about our motherfucking day, man. Get this bitch somewhere safe we can work on it and do what we gotta do, baby. And Walmart with it, nigga. Late night. Let's go and get this shit out, man. Get this shit done, baby.